Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey. Hey girl, hey. Sorry, I goofed around in a minute. Anywho, it is your girl Tasha. Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, y'all, we're gonna be jumping into another Shein haul because y'all know I'm addicted. So grab a snack, grab a drink, come on back, and let's see what I hauled this time. Okay girls, so before we get into it, I want to kindly thank Shein for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, if you do not know what Shein is, where have you been? They are one of the largest online market retailers that sell everything from plus size clothing to things for your pets, decor for your home, bedding, school supplies, makeup, girl, jewelry, smartwatches, wireless keyboards, all kinds of electronics, everything under the sun that you could think of for a stupid affordable price. Okay, I mean, they are stupid affordable. Their shipping has really improved over the years. They've gotten really fast. There's items on their website that you can order and get it quick shipped. It takes less than a week to arrive. That is dope. I actually prefer to shop on the Shein app, and in case you were wondering, it is actually Shein, S-H-E-I-N, all caps. So before we jump into it, if you are new to my channel, what up girl? My name is Tosh, and I'm a plus size influencer, creator, whatever you want to call it, and I mainly do plus size content. Generally, my sizes are between a 4 and 5X US sizes. But with Shein, you'll notice that they tend to vary. I go based off of their measurements, and generally I get a perfect fit. All right, y'all, let's start with this first piece here. You guys may have seen this Cami before. I did pick this up from Shein in another haul. I will link that haul here. What we are showing you today is actually a two-piece set, so let me back y'all up. All right, y'all, so this two-piece set I picked up in a size 26. I was so nervous to pick this up, because generally when I get two-piece sets, they don't fit. And I'm going to tell you why. Because my top is actually generally a 4X. We've had some weight loss. Yay! So smaller things are starting to fit. So I guess I'm in between a 3 and 4X. And then my bottom is generally a 3X. So I usually wear a size 24. But I got lucky with this set because, hunty, it fits. These pants are elastic. Actually, they're shorts, but hang on. So it comes with a overcoat and then a pair of shorts. And this actually comes in different prints. The one that I'm going to link down below will be this one. But for you guys, I will actually link a couple of the other sets that I almost picked out. This one I love because it's bright, it's colorful, it's fun, it's summer vibes, it's got beautiful floral print, it's super lightweight and comfy. You already know if I don't tell you the materials, it's the general materials. So let me come to you so that you guys can see. So this is the actual colors, and so what I did was pull the pink out of the flowers, did it with a cami, and shebang. So I will let you guys know this is super lightweight, comfy material, and I think this is a kimono. It is actually oversized very nicely. There's no stretch here, but we do have stretch when we get to the shorts in the waistband. So let me show you guys some lengthage. Again, this is a nice little kimono. So coming down to the shorts, again, this whole set is in a size 26. Unfortunately, I do have a Tina with a little pouch underneath. So, you know, when I wear bright colors and stuff like that, you are going to see it. Personally, for me, I generally don't wear my pants up this high. But with a set like this, yeah, I'm going to want the shirt tucked in. And, you know, it's going to hide that belly area. But this is a haul, so for viewing purposes for you guys, I'm going to show you the length of the shorts. Not too bad. I actually just got comfortable where I'd wear my shorts this length. And then here is the side. Again, you've got that nice stretchy waistband. And then here is the back. All right, shorts are exactly as same as the kimono, and this is a fully functional tie waist. So if you wanted to tighten it, loosen it, whatever your jam is. So here is the set together. I think this is so fun. Hey girl, hey. Next piece. Y'all, I think I had way too much coffee this morning. Woo! Okay, So everything is from Shein Fit Plus, that line, just in case I didn't mention that in the beginning. And those of you that are ride or die, that watch every video and come on back and be kicking it with your girl, know one thing I love from Shein is their PJs, girl. So this is one of their new nightgowns. This is viscose and poly. Super soft, super thin, super stretchy. Now I love it because it is a tank style. I cannot stand to be hot. So all the tank style nightgowns, girl, I've been scratching them up. So here is the imprint on it. It's this nice, really pretty heathered kind of a cobalt blue color. Show you guys some length on this bad boy here. Comes down right to like the middle of my kneecaps. If you're new to my channel, I am only 5'3", so please keep that in mind. If you're taller than me, it's gonna hang a little bit differently on you. And if y'all can hear the fan, your girl does apologize. These studio lights are hot in the mug. All right, friends, so here again, we have 2 more pieces to share with y'all. Oh, y'all can't see the pants. So this top is a size 22. It's oversized, off the shoulder moment. Y'all know your girl let her shoulder hang out. Let her shoulder hang out. Anywho. So this one says California, West Coast, baby. It is this beautiful girly pink with black lettering. We love. And it is poly visco or poly elastane cotton. Girl, you have tons of stretch, okay? Keep in mind this is oversized. Check your measurements with their measurements. So, like I said, we have that off the shoulder moment. Very, very stretchy, guys. Very stretchy. Here's the back. Now, because I have these on with a pair of denim, even though the denim doesn't feel like denim, Tina's making her debut. It is what it is. Here's the actual true color. Gorgeous pink, we love. And length on this is really nice. It's coming to about right here. Here's the side. Ooh, look at that, girl. And here is the back. So really comfortable top. I would probably rock this with leggings, bike shorts, stuff like that. Something I can use to smooth this out. Okay, let's move on to these adorable capris. So first of all, I always pick my denim from Shein up in a size 26, even based on their measurements, because, well, I'm a big girl with a big belly. So, not putting myself down, please don't think that. These are factory distressed and factory bleached. I love that. And then here's what they look like in the back. Also, I love that they have this elastic waistband back here, but check it, check it. I could have sized down. Could have sized down, but I'm still gonna rock them for a season because why not? They're cute. And they give you that look of really like luxurious denim, but girlfriend, these do not feel anything like denim. They are cotton, poly, viscose, and elastane, so they are super stretchy and they fit your body like a glove. So to share with you guys some more detail on these, here's an up close shot. Y'all know I love any kind of denim that is distressed. It's just my vibe. We've got fully, excuse me, fully functional pockets in the back, in the front. And yes, darlings, I would have to pair this with a belt, so thank God for belt loops, because I don't have a booty to hold these up, but these are so cute and so comfy. And I don't know yet because of my knee injury, but yeah, these are super easy to move in. Girl, you could work out in these. That's how comfortable they are. But again, they still look like straight up denim. I think she likes them. Super cute. All right, so I know some of you are like, dang girl, how many more of those are you gonna show us? Baby, I'm sorry, all right? I had to have this green. So this is that same peplum top that I showed you guys 2 other times. I have the black and it's kind of like a rose pink. But look at this green on my skin. Oh, girl. This is a 2830. It is cotton and elastane, so we have tons of stretch. However, it's majority cotton, so when I dry this bad boy, it's going to shrink a little bit, which we love, because we don't want to wear oversized peplums. So here's the side. We got the back. Ooh. Girl, I cannot with this green. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So we do have a cinching here at the waist, which is going to give you some more stretch, but also kind of give you a waist. Keep in mind, mostly cotton, so again, it is going to shrink up a little bit, which we love. You could pair this with a belt if you see fit or need to. Do you, boo-boo? But yeah, nice bit of length, super comfortable, lightweight. And who cares anyways, because look at this green. All right, I'm just gonna tell you guys up front, I saved the best piece for last, so if you wanna see it, sit your ass back down. Oh y'all, it is hot as up in here, okay? Oh my gosh. Okay, so to me, this is the best piece. I saved it for last. Well, darlings, because I can. Okay, so this is a size 22. It is the same material as the Huge. I love this beautiful dress, okay? So, it is not stretchy, so you want to make sure that you pick this up in your size. Again, guys, just measure yourself, compare your measurements to their measurements, okay? Nice spaghetti straps that are adjustable, which I'll show you in a minute. We are. Now, before I show you the actual print and the cute detail on this dress, I do want to let you guys know that if I had a rail bra on, this would look so much better. But your girl's comfort today. Okay, so there is a lot of detail in this. First of all, can we talk about the floral tropical vibes? Perfect for summer. We've got these cute little faux buttons. We've got some almost like, what kind of reminds me of like crochet, and it's like a border. Then we have it here under the bust. Little teeny tiny bit of stretch under the bust. Oh, also this is see-through right here, just this little bit. It goes all the way around the dress. Don't worry, boo-boo, ain't nothing hanging out. Again, you do have adjustable straps. And then that little bit of cinching at the waist. What I love about that is it kind of helps give you a waist. So this dress is all the way to the floor almost on me, but I'll be able to get away with wearing it without wedges and things. I'm going to show you that in a second. It does have one slit on this side. Oh, it's beautiful. Easy over the head dress. So here's the length, you guys. It is coming all the way to the tops of my feet. We got us a little sexy slip here. Hey girl, let that leg hang out. So, but I feel like that one's not too overbearing. Like when you're walking, you know, it's not gonna be like, hey, look at my, you know, goodies. All right, so here's what it looks like to the side. In the back. This is so pretty, so lightweight. Oh, we love this. So you guys, I want to know what your favorite piece in today's haul was. What are you going to pick up? Because y'all know they having a big o summer blowout. So you can get you tons of stuff on the cheap. That's what I love about Shein. You can get a lot of affordable finds without always having to downgrade on quality. I personally really like their clothes. That's just me. Y'all know I buy from them all the time. And generally when I purchase from them, I do 3 hauls. So I purchase quite a bit of clothes. That is generally what my closet is full of, is Shein and a couple other brands that you see on my channel quite a bit. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I thoroughly did. I am so happy to have this dress. Like, girl, I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I'm happy to have it. Cause she cute, right? All right, y'all. So if you're new here, I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button, and I hope that you'll all hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. If you are going shopping on Shein, remember I do have a discount code that you can use if you want to save an extra 15% off. Who doesn't love to save a little extra coin? It will be down in the description box along with all of the pieces I hauled in today's video in the order that I hauled them to make it easier for you to find. I do want to kindly thank Shein once again for sponsoring today's video, and I will see all you cutie patootie booties in the next video. I love you guys. I hope you're staying safe, and till next time.